Focal length of concave mirror. Concave mirror is a converging mirror. We have to keep the object in front of the mirror. After the reflection, we will get an image in the object side itself. For this, the required materials are concave mirror, lens holder, screen and light source. First, we have to focus the concave mirror towards a distant object. Keep the screen in front of the mirror to adjust it to get a clear inverted image. After getting the clear image, note down the distance between the center of the mirror and the center of the screen. This is your approximate focal length, rough focal length by the distant object method. Now my focal length is 20 centimeter. So C is equal to 40 centimeter. We have to choose the object distance. That means the distance between the source and the mirror is the object distance is less than C, more than C and at C. What is the C? C is at center of curvature. If my focal length is 20, C is a 40. So my first value is 34. I am going to choose the distance U distance as a 34. After the reflection, keep the screen in front of the mirror to get a clear image. After getting the clear image, note down the distance between the center of the screen and center of the mirror, that is your V, image distance. Like this, repeat the experiment for a different values of U. First I choose 34, now you can choose 36, 38, 40, 42, 44. For each values, you have to find out what is the distance between mirror and as well as the screen to get a clear image. Now I will show one more time. Now the distant object distance is 42. This is object distance. Now adjust the screen to get a clear image. Adjust the screen to get a clear image. Now note down the distance between the mirror and the screen. This is a way we have to find out the focal length of the concave mirror. Afterwards, after this we have to tabulate like this object distance and image distance. Use this formula UV by U plus V. Now here the focal length of the concave mirror should come in negative. So F is equal to minus UV by U plus V. And find out the calculation by using the U and V value and find out the mean. This is the focal length of the concave mirror by UV method.